Today we're taking a quick look at the brand new Viltrox 135mm f1.8 Lab FE lens. Now this is the first in a new Lab series of lenses that Viltrox says will offer superior optical quality and performance over even their Pro series. So to test this, we took the 135mm out to Central Park on our Sony a7R IV to put it through its paces with some portrait photography of our own intrepid video producer Sam as our primary subject. As its namesake implies, this 135mm focal length with an f1.8 aperture means this lens is tailor-made for portrait photography. The increased compression you're getting with this 135mm focal length compared to, say, an 85 or 100mm makes it pretty difficult to take an unflattering photo. And that maximum aperture of f1.8 combined with an 11-bladed aperture resulted in some genuinely gorgeous bokeh in our tests. While we didn't have a non-lab Viltrox lens to directly compare it to, we did have difficulty finding any complaints with image quality. Now, as you can probably tell just by looking at it, this 135mm is a substantial, hefty lens that feels premium in the hand and also includes some genuinely premium features. The lens itself comes in at 1300 grams with a 93mm diameter and 145.7mm length, and it includes an HD nano multi-layer coating along with being dust and moisture proof. On the lens itself, you have two custom buttons as well as a lens data display that showcases useful info like object distance, AB preset object distance identification, an aperture bar and indicator. Beyond this, you have some less surprising inclusions such as an AF and MF switch and a focus and multifunction ring, but Viltrox includes the ability through a switch to have this ring be clicked or declicked. And it's also really nice to see a focus range switching rod on the side as well for professionals to really fine-tune their focusing parameters. Performance-wise, the lens is no slouch. Its minimum focusing distance of 0.72 meters allows you to get closer to your subject for more interesting compositions, and autofocus performance was snappy and responsive as well. This is thanks in large part to the lens's dual floating magnetic levitation VCM focusing mechanism, which is a mouthful, but means that the lens can accurately control the moving position and provide accurate and smooth focusing. And finally, a USB-C upgrade port at the base of the lens means that users can anticipate firmware improvements and updates from Viltrox over time. And that's a quick look at Viltrox's new 135mm f1.8 Lab lens. We weren't really sure what to expect from this new Lab series of lenses, but we came away very impressed by the performance of this 135mm, and it has us excited for what Viltrox has in store for the series and other focal lengths over time. But what are your thoughts on the 135mm? Let us know in the comments below. Seriously, we do read them. I'm Nick with B&H. Stay creative.